How to create the ultimate marketing or sales funnel. If you want your business sales process to run as efficient as possible, you absolutely must get your marketing funnel. A marketing funnel is the process of converting a visitor or browser into a paying customer. Some business owners are moving away from the term marketing funnel or sales funnel because they think it's too mechanical or simplistic to describe the lead nurturing sequence by which customer move from awareness to purchase. I think it's still a useful way to describe a complex process, and it's a good visual to imagine the entire process from start to finish. So what is a marketing funnel? A marketing funnel is a way of breaking down the customer journey all the way from the awareness stage to the purchase stage. Often, funnels can also include post-purchase follow-up, which increase retention as well as cross and upsell. The first step is, of course, getting traffic to your site. You can get traffic via social media marketing. As lead progress through your funnel, your outreach methods will become more and more personalized, sometimes involving a product demo or a phone call until the sales take place. For example, there's this person by the name of Molly. She created a marketing funnel that helps her 3 salespeople close more sales with less effort. Molly started by building a series of attention-grabbing content marketing pieces that are tied to landing page on her website. Potential customers can engage with her content such as blog posts, infographics, videos, and learn about her company and its services without a cold call from a salesperson. When these would-be buyers become interested enough in her products, they request an online demonstration by filling out form on her landing page. These requests are routed directly to her salesperson, who, because they are dealing with warm lead, close roughly 50% of the customer to whom they demo to. Molly's company closed more sales than her competitor, with fewer salespeople and no time spent on cold calling. Obviously, this is a simplified example, and most businesses will fall somewhere in the middle of this spectrum. In conclusion, marketing or sales funnel is not a simple undertaking, but is one of the few opportunities you have to drive your significant improvement in your efficiency and effectiveness when closing deals. If you like this video, you can like, share, and comment. And if you want to master the art of social media marketing, I have a free gift for you worth 47 USD. This is my ultimate social media marketing blueprint. You can click the link below to claim your free gift. So I see you at the next video.